StockPulse on location here at the second annual StockPulse Silver Symposium, Airway Heights. Moved over to Spokane this year. I'm with Chen Lin here, Lin Asset Management, and Chen's Picks. And Chen, I certainly appreciate you making the trip over here. A lot of good things to say. I know I heard you talk earlier, but I guess let's get into silver here. So interesting market here. Give me your 36,000 foot analysis of the silver market right now, please.
Oh, silver market right now is very, very exciting. From my perspective, I see silver will start getting to deficit, shortage. Maybe not this year because there's component shortage right now in China for solar panel. So all the solar panel manufacturers shut down for the summer. But they're supposed to come back strongly in Q4 into next year. So I see we have a real silver shortage starting next year. So actually gave the investor a great opportunity here to pick up silver asset on the cheap. Maybe it's the last time below 20 in their lifetime. Yes. Read my word for that.
Yeah, okay, well, we got that on camera. So, so yeah, I guess for investors that have been worn down and beat up a little bit, you give them some hope here, but you say we might not be there yet. Explain that a little bit.
Well, right now, gold is weak, okay? The general gold weak. Right now, it's kind of similar to 1997, 98. If you remember, went through that period. There's a financial crisis everywhere. There's the Asian flu. There's a Russian default. So right now, besides US dollar on par with euro, if you look at other places from Turkey to Pakistan to even South Korea, their currency all collapsing, their economy all going down. All these countries are gold-loving country, gold and silver-loving country. And then there are a lot of people there, they're forced to sell gold for food, for a living. So that's actually created a lot of pressure for gold and silver. So especially on gold, but when gold goes down, there's an algorithm that thinks silver can go down twice as much. And that algorithm will be proven wrong very soon. From all the sources I have, I think the silver will start to decouple with this downturn. Silver may lead the gold up in the next leg up.
And yeah, you mentioned your sources, and I know you do have sources. So you mentioned some at the top there about the solar panels. I know we've interviewed on this before. So you paint a picture of demand increasing here. So maybe explain that, how it unfolds here in 23.
I can tell you, like the first half of this year, the solar panel manufacturer in China, which is 90% of worldwide manufacture of solar panel, increased by 50%, 50%. So last year was 12% of silver consumption. At first half of this year is 18% consumption. You think about it, but it's shut down for the summer because there's no component. But there's huge component coming in the next few months. 400 gigawatts, I was told, of components are coming online in the next few months. So that should, set for the factory run full capacity for a long, long time. If you know that, the Biden recently signed the law for this deficit reduction, and then they have something there to promote solar, right? There's a report come out, United States will increase the solar capacity will increase to 50 gigabytes. That's 50 gigabytes. But there's 400 gigabytes capacity coming up. So you can see the capacity coming up very, very fast, and the demand will go up. And then in the meantime, the loading factor of silver in the solar panel also going up. So it's a perfect storm for silver in the solar panel. I'm quite excited about that.
Yeah. So let's take that into these juniors here. Supply chain, so a little broken maybe. I don't know. Is there enough silver going to come online? I know silver's
no, there won't be. I mean, I see there's less silver coming online. Think about Europe. A lot of smelters are in metal smelter in Europe. Their natural gas price is so high. They cannot smelt. They cannot think smelter, less smelter. They cannot produce silver anymore. So there's a less silver coming onto the market, and then more demand going up. And then Europe, every resident in Europe wants a roof on their solar panel on their roof. Think about it. Their electricity bill just tenfolded recently, and going to be triple again next year. The economy is amazing. Even without government subsidy, you want a solar panel on your roof. With the government subsidy, it's no-brainer.
Yeah. So again, I guess you've got the junior equity market here is a little beat up. Certainly, Fire sale comes to mind. These things are cheap, cliche-ish, but the reality of it is these things are dirt cheap if you can find the right ones. Give the investors at home that aren't here to hear you a little advice on how to find the good ones.
I would say next few months can be rough. So you want to stay with company, has good balance sheet, don't need to raise money, very dilutive or raise a little bit, can go through the next few months. When silver starts to take off, you can go for those very aggressive, more beaten down names. Right now is in the next few months till the year-end tax loss selling, maybe it's time to pick up the good companies.
Yeah. So Chen, tell everyone how they follow you at home.
Yeah, you can go to chenpicks.com. That's my website.
Chenpicks.com. Chen Lin, appreciate your time. StockPulse Silver Symposium. Thanks, Chen.
Thank you. Nice to be here. Thank you for inviting me.